So the best communication methods are really the ones that are in front of the end user as rapidly as possible. So typically email or SMS are preferred. And most people have email on their phone. So ShipStation uses email to communicate tracking information to the end user. And one of the important things that we find within our app is that you can automate that process based on when the label is either created or scanned into the mail stream. So a lot of our merchants find efficiency in that, whereas the parcel is scanned into the mail stream and it fires off an email to the user. We find that email gets about 100% click-through rate, and people come back to it constantly over and over and over again. I'm probably the worst offender of that. If I really want something, I want to know where it is. So we added an additional branded feature called the branded tracking page, where the merchant can kind of extend their brand through that post-purchase process, and I find that a lot of merchants find value in that.